So they say worrying makes you suffer twice. Cool, cool, cool. But thinking ahead means you don't suffer at all because you were already ready. Cool, cool, cool. So has anyone ever told you that you need to think twice, plan ahead, have a backup plan? Have you ever had one and when you needed it, it flopped like your hair experiment at prom? This is what if. It's how you make thinking ahead work, and it's your sneaky mental judo when the air gets weird, but the fists haven't quite flown yet. So this video lives in your sidestepping pillar, the art of seeing the punch before it's thrown and stepping sideways so it never actually lands. No, not the real punch. I mean, so the attack never happens. We're going to play what if 4 different ways. Now do these when your biggest worry is what's for dinner, so that when it is something worse, you're smooth, fast, and a step ahead. First way, here we go. Now do this when times are not scary, just normal everyday times. Okay, we're going to call it playing what if right now. Next time you're out there people watching, you're out and about, that's right, you're in public or at work and your phone is not your universe. So phone down, head up, looking around. What you're going to do is pick someone out of the crowd at random. Now don't gawk like you're looking for a fight. You're not auditioning for a crime show. Now ask yourself, what if they lose it right now, they attack? What are you going to do? What's your row? Where are the doors? What are the tables you can move behind? Cars you can jump into? Even your coffee. Yeah, you're going to toss that? Everything's fair game for your escape plan. Picture all this like your favorite video game. You know, all the cheat codes, the bonus level. If you do feel your shoulders starting to climb towards your ears, breathe it down, eh? But keep on playing that game until it has you home and safe and you've got all the coins. I mean, in your head. Now, you're not training to be paranoid here. You're just the only one in the food court with a personal mission plan. Now, there's a lot going on when you do this. Your mind mapping being dangerous and smart and imaginative and flexible and calm and alert and being able to take care of yourself all at the same time. And you don't even have to throw a punch or say a single word. And that's why you play this out until you're home and safe because, hey, life sucks out there. And this is your one chance maybe all week to feel like you're winning. Hello, mental resilience. Pretty cool. Okay, the second way, this is how you plan ahead. When they say think twice, this is exactly what you do. So this is what if in the future. So suppose it's a big night, blind date, work party with that coworker you hope behaves. So you're going to plan the fun, but also plan the potholes. What if my ride ditches me? What if he won't back off? So NASA's got a fancy term for this. They call it failure modes and effects analysis. I say it's how you keep your party out of the police report. Now that doesn't mean you skip all the fun. It means you show up with a brain that's 2 steps ahead and feet ready to pivot. Like if you say, hey, I'll just call an Uber, great. What if your phone's dead? See? So that's what if. You're your own devil's advocate because dollars to donut, the devil's looking for his cut. And once again, don't forget to play that sucker out to the end. If you do catch a wrinkle in your plan, fix it, rewind, play it again. And that is how we plan ahead. Okay, next one, we're going to play what if for the past. Now for the sticky bit. So grab that memory, the one that sneaks up when you're brushing your teeth. What if I'd said no? What if I had done something different? What if I'd walked away sooner? Now, this is not your cue to beat yourself up. Shame is cheap. Curiosity is what we're after. Curiosity is gold. So we're going to flip it. We're going to twist it. We're going to replay it. We're going to reshuffle that deck. We're going to do something different. In our mind, we're going to say something different or do something different. And then we're going to play that through the scenario and see how the scenario ends up. Maybe it works. Maybe it doesn't. But we're still playing what if, okay? It's the same game, though. You got to play that sucker out to the end. And you're not trying to win. You're not trying to come up with that golden thing to say or that perfect thing to do. You're just changing one thing in your mind and you're seeing how it would have gone if you shuffle that deck a little bit differently. So when you do this, winning is not what you're after. The point is your brain here is learning that there are other options maybe you didn't think of before, but now you're thinking of them. So your brain's saying, oh, there are options. So next time your mouth, your feet, your gut are all ready to move together and maybe in a different direction that you hadn't thought of before. No regrets here. Okay, we're just playing this game. We're just learning. See when it goes sideways. Change something. See what goes sideways the other way. Hey, if you got a situation that you think there's no way you could have won, give me a ring. We'll play with it. Cool, cool, cool. Next, this here is what if in real time. This is the finale. This is the real game. So imagine this. You're in it. Hey, the sweat's real. You're locked up. Jump ahead now in your mind and think, okay, so how would future me tell my bestie this story so that I came out looking all calm and smart? And then pull that future back. And in the moment, say what that tomorrow version of you says, do what they do, and keep it smooth. There's no villains here, okay? This is a trick. There's no villains, just misunderstandings by really nice people. And you're going to handle it with calm curiosity. And if you feel the need to pivot, pivot. Rewrite that future movie in real time. And make sure to give it your own happy ending where, you're safe and sipping tea at home. All right, okay, that's a lot, right, eh? 4 different ways to play what if. But this is how you really plan ahead, so that it works. So you practice 1 and 2 when life's just chill. Use number 3 when old memories start to bite, and pull out number 4 when the gut says, hey, heads up.